can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Today I have a 2019 BMW X3, and I'm just going to go over the heating and cooling system with you. Okay, so right here, all right, you have the middle console, or like middle, right? All right, right here, I am going to show you, this is the max button. This gives you the maximum amount of blowing air right when I press the button, okay? So if I press that, it blows hard and it defrosts the windshield, okay? Now to turn it off, I'm just gonna press it like that. Now if I wanna defrost the rear window, I'm just gonna press this button right here and it'll defrost the rear window, all right? Turn that off. Now move over, this right here, I can turn up the temperature. It's getting hot in here by turning this clockwise, all right? To cool it off, I go counterclockwise. And do you see this button right here? This is the auto button, all right? And when I press this, the vehicle, just turn the auto off. If I press it again, it turns on the auto button and it automatically adjusts the temperature in the vehicle, all right? I'm gonna turn that off, all right? And this button right here, it determines where the air is flowing. As you can see right here, it's blowing at the windshield and at my feet. Press it again at the windshield. Press it again at my face and the windshield. All right, turn it off like that. Press it again. It's just blowing at my face. And then right there, it's blowing all over my body. All right, right here. This right here is the fan speed, okay? You can press this right here and it turns the fan off. Press this right here, it turns the fan up high and high. It's getting higher. All right, and then also, on this side, the passenger also has the option of where they want the air to blow at themselves, okay? And the passenger can also adjust their own temperature, just like that, all right? Pretty cool, all right? Now, this button right here is the max AC button. If you want air conditioning to blow at its coldest temperature, press that in, okay? Turn on the air conditioner right here. All right, now to turn the air conditioner on, period, this button right here, make sure that's lit up. This right here is the recirculating button. If you want the air to recirculate in your vehicle, make sure that's pressed. Now, say for instance, the passenger likes the temperature at almost 68 degrees and the driver likes it at 60, okay? Different temperature. If you want them both to have the same temperature, if you want them to be on the same plane, what you do is go over here, press sync, and it syncs both temperatures up to the same. So that's the heating and cooling system. Let me know if you have any questions.